Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will explore a useful feature in Naver Whale Browser on mobile that helps protect your browsing privacy. If you often share your phone or worry about others accessing your browser. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. After that, scroll down until you find the option labeled Lock Browser. Tap on it. Then turn it on to activate the feature. Next, you will be prompted to create a password for your browser lock. Enter a password that you can remember but is hard for others to guess. Then, re-enter the password to confirm and complete the setup process. After this, your Naver Whale browser will require the password every time you open it, keeping your browsing activities secure. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.